Welcome to the basics of pharmacology. In this video, we will cover 20 major points that you need to remember. Let's get started. First, it's important to understand drug classification. This involves knowing how drugs work, their therapeutic use, and their chemical structure. Next, familiarize yourself with pharmacokinetics. This includes how drugs are absorbed, distributed, metabolized, and excreted in the body. Pharmacodynamics is another key concept. This is the study of how drugs interact with receptors to produce their effects, and how these effects are influenced by dose-response relationships. Understanding drug receptors is crucial. There are different types, including agonists, antagonists, and partial agonists. Be aware of potential drug interactions. This includes drug-drug interactions, drug-food interactions, and drug-disease interactions. Knowing about drug metabolism is important. Understand the major pathways such as phase 1 and phase 2 reactions and the role of enzymes like the cytochrome P450 system. Drug clearance is another important aspect. Learn how drugs are cleared from the body, including renal clearance, hepatic clearance, and factors that can influence clearance rates. The concept of drug half-life is significant. It affects dosing frequency and drug accumulation. Bioavailability is also important. Understand how the route of administration affects the bioavailability of a drug, and how factors like first-pass metabolism can impact drug efficacy. Familiarize yourself with the concept of therapeutic index. This relates to the safety and efficacy of a drug. Recognize common adverse drug reactions and know how to manage them. Know the various dosage forms available for drug administration, such as tablets, capsules, injections, and topical preparations. Understand how genetic variations can affect drug metabolism and response. Pharmacogenomic testing can help personalize medication therapy. Learn about the stages involved in drug development, from preclinical studies to clinical trials and post-marketing surveillance. Understand the role of regulatory agencies like the FDA in approving and monitoring drugs for safety and efficacy. Be familiar with principles of rational drug prescribing, including considerations of efficacy, safety, cost-effectiveness, and patient preferences. Recognize common causes of medication errors and strategies to prevent them. Be aware of common drug allergies and cross-reactivity between drugs within the same class. Understand the importance of patient education regarding medication use, including dosage instructions, potential side effects, and the importance of adherence. Lastly, stay updated with the latest developments in pharmacology through continuing education, professional journals, and participation in conferences and seminars. That concludes our overview of the basics of pharmacology. Thank you for watching.